hopefully America will be able to get back to business sooner than we thought. But you know who's really doing well? The PRC, China. With the opening of Wuhan last night, the place where the coronavirus outbreak started, it's a whole new ballgame for the second largest economy in the world. We're already seeing some instant winners. First and foremost, I like UPS and FedEx, both of which are also getting tons of extra business now that Amazon's shutting down its homegrown third-party delivery service. UPS and FedEx spent fortunes building out giant hubs in China and then lost huge amount of money. Their stocks are roaring here, but they still aren't up enough. I'm excited about UPS in particular. Carol Tomé is CEO. She was the genius CFO who turned Home Depot into the best-run big-box hardware store. Others, of course, help, but I like Carol. And let me just say, the numbers aren't going to be that good, but you got to think bigger than that. Second, everyone's been taking the shots at Apple. Me, I'm salivating over the idea that people will lap up Apple's 5G phone when a rejuvenated China lines up for the darn thing. Remember, Chinese strength drove the last leg of Apple's rally before the meltdown. With China coming back and Apple's service revenue stream getting a big boost from bidding, from a lockdown America, this stock suddenly seems pretty darn attractive to me. Third, Skyworks Solutions and Broadcom, both fabulous plays when a China come back. I think their telco chips will be very strong in the second half. Hey, by the way, same with Micron. We had them on recently. Fourth, you know I'm a gigantic fan of NVIDIA. I'm not backing down. NVIDIA, by the way, has a very bad cough. That's the dog. The actual stock's doing great. They have a ton of Chinese business. Who knows? Maybe the Chinese government will finally bust their Mellanox acquisition, please. Something that would make the stock spike immediately. I think AMD will be terrific, too. Gaming is hot, hot, hot. Now let's get a little more aggressive. I've watched Caterpillar stock move up, including a gigantic move today. And a lot of people seem to think that the strength here is about the possibility of a big infrastructure bill to combat skyrocketing unemployment. Nonsense. Caterpillar is running because the Chinese Communist Party has spent fortunes on economic stimulus, and they need cat's machines. These days, Caterpillar is more levered to oil into China, but I think the stock's still a winner on any Chinese resurgence. Oil stocks are all trading up on Saudi investment. Good chance to lighten up there. Number 6, there are many reasons to own Nike. But the China story is what I'm most excited about. When you get out of lockdown, you want to splurge, like with a pair of Nikes. I was on the fence about this one with the Olympics postponed, but now you got China as a second-half story in the Olympics next year. There are plenty of other stocks that could benefit from China, but they have other issues that keep me from recommending them. Emerson's a great China play. It just has too much oil exposure. 3M has too many operational issues. I'm not crazy about that groundwater pollution problem. IBM's got a steady Chinese business. I just don't know if it'll move the needle. We own Tyson Foods for the Charitable Trust. They sell a ton of food in China, but they also have a lot of domestic food service exposure and some real operational issues. I know that Costco stock is down tonight as the company's it's doing these mitigation efforts that slowed sales during the last month. Hey, that's the right thing to do, right? I mean, they're trying to keep your distance. In the meantime, Costco's just started to go into China. And I think it'll be an important story in the years to come, not months, but years. Keep an eye on it. Costco's safe practices are a good thing. With the opening of Wuhan, you got a real turn in China. I think it's absolutely worth participating in. Pick your best. China's back. Stick with Cramer.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.